Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Prestige PCOS 1.8 electric kettle. On the front of the box, we have an image of the electric kettle itself, some Prestige branding on the top. The model number is right here. On the left hand side, we have a few of the salient features, which include an elegant design, wide mouth for easy cleaning, and cool touch handle and lid. Over here, we can see that the product is made in India. On the right hand side of the box, we have a few more features along with close up shots of the individual features. Over here, we have a close up shot of the lid, and it says that it has an elegant handle with single touch lid locking for convenient use and safety. There's also a close up shot of the on off switch, and over here we see that it has an automatic cutoff when water has boiled to ensure safety and power saving. We have a close-up shot of the insides of the kettle and some information saying that it has a concealed element. By that, we assume that it means that there is a concealed heating element for easy cleaning. Power indicator glows when the power is on, and 360 degrees swivel base ensures usage convenience and portability. Over here, we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. And over here, we have the kettle's capacity, which is 1.8 liters. The left hand side of the box has a brief description about the features of the kettle as well, pretty much the same as we saw on the other side. Over here we have the manufacturing information, and lastly at the bottom we have the customer care details. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front, and on top we have some of the technical specifications like its capacity being 1.8 liters, power usage of 1500 watts, and voltage of 220 to 240 volts 80 AC at 50 hertz. On the other side, we have a few of the other products that Prestige manufactures. We have a toll free customer care number and the social media handle and website of the brand. There is nothing on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with using the product, and we recommend that you read through it thoroughly before you start using the product. Next up is the power plate and the power cable. The cable is approximately 22 to 23 inches long, and the plug type is a standard 3-pin Indian plug. The power plate is what provides the power to the heating element inside the electric kettle, and that is what warms the water or liquid inside it. There is an electric contact point right in the middle, and the counterpart to that electric point is under the kettle. When you align them together, it connects, and that is what provides the power. Coming to the kettle itself, we can see that there is a silver and black color theme going for it. All the plastic surfaces are black in color, like the lid, the handle, and the base. The handle also has the power button or on off switch. The lid is has a button on it which when pressed can open the lid, and the same goes for when you close the lid. The metal surface on the kettle is quite shiny and reflective. There is some Prestige branding on one of the sides, and underneath that branding, we have the pilot lamp that would glow when the kettle is powered. To get started with using the kettle, all we need to do is align this power point with the corresponding power point on the power plate. Once it is placed on it and the power is connected, we can start using this kettle. So let's see that in action now. Here we have a power strip, and we can connect the power plate to the strip, power it on, and now all we need to do is connect the kettle from the bottom. Now, all we need to do is press this button to start the heating. The pilot light lights up on the bottom, but it might not be very visible under the hard studio lights. So, this was the unboxing of the Prestige PCOS 1.8 electric kettle. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.